Seningaze nijabule kangaka ngokudla Orbit College. These are students, kids. Kusho ukuthi bekumele zidle bani le student? Bekumele zidle bani? Because you all know ukuthi in life it's survival of the fittest. If awudli uyadliwa. So bekumele kudliwe bani? Angisho we were told ukuthi in order for a team to accumulate maximum points, they must start with these so-called small teams. Just imagine those 3 small teams that Kaizer Chiefs played with 3 games in a row. Kaizer Chiefs managed to accumulate 15 points in those teams. Just imagine 3 points against Imakes, 6 points against Durban United, 6 points against the Orbit College. I'm sure that's what we're told. The Orlando Pirates, Mamelodi Sundowns have mastered the art of getting maximum points, especially if they want to win or compete for the league. They have to defeat these so-called small teams. Manje maseyenzwa iKaizer Chiefs sekuyinkinga kanjani. Angisho it's either waja or wajiwa. Simple as that. Kusho ukuthi ngamanye amagama kube iChiefs idliweke. Still bekuyoba khona inkulumo. Kanti kumele kwenziwe. Hayi man, asimeni inkulumo. There's no way ukuthi manje ngoba sekuwina iChiefs sekuthiwa our college kids. Kanti ebholeni kudlala iage or kudlala umntwana or kudlala, because football is football. If you are old enough, you are good enough. What does sikho lapho? Sanibonani football lovers. Welcome to PK Sports. Igama lami Mbongi Nkosi. Ngithemba ukuthi ni kahle. Ngaphambi kokuthi ngiyekude ngakhohle ukulike nokusubscribe to the channel. If so subscribe ile ngibonga kakhulu, but mawungaka subscribe, why ungaka subscribe? That's the question. But asiphumeke lapho. Today we're going to discuss about 3 things. 7 players that Kaizer Chiefs are giving a lifeline. Lebang maboy ukuthi, what is it about these men of the matches? Are they being rigged or what? Gonna discuss about Thabo Qhele induna yendawo. Asivele sihlala udabini. So we know with the Kaizer Chiefs there are 7 players that their contracts are coming to an end. Mazithi June. But a statement was issued out by Majola J. Mulife, SABC Sport journalist, saying with the Kaizer Chiefs they are waiting ukuthi kube no coach. That's when they can decide ukuthi in terms of contract renewals for these players, or are they being let go, it will be decided by the coach, and of which I believe ukuthi it was a good idea. Whoever proposed that idea, I believe ukuthi he was on his senses when he made that decision. Because just imagine if they were to release or to renew the contract of these players, and the next coach will be like, no, what if Hambisang playing I could have used this player? What if this player that you kept is not in my plan? So everything will be decided by the coach, and I believe it makes sense. Because in the previous seasons, we were harsh when it comes to decision making, when it comes to contractual matters. But I think now they realize we have been making costly mistakes, and they are just small mistakes, but we have to rectify that now. They want to change things for Kaizer Chiefs because bayabona ukuthi if ever abalungisi gonyewa magiwa phambili. But let's talk about vele indaba yama contract. People keep on saying ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs cannot make signings without the coach. The coach doesn't have that 100% authority when it comes to making signings. Abalindi ukuthi kuze kube ne coach, but what is important is for the club to know its philosophy, and then they sign the players that align with the philosophy, and then they will bring along a coach that will align with the technical and the strategical decisions that are being made by the club. Ubutubanu ayisebenzi, even if ngathiwa kusayinwa uPito Mosimane as the next coach, he doesn't have 100%, but he does make some suggestions. Like for example, if they could give him a chance, okay, in the system that you are trying to play, let's say you need a strong bulky strike. What kind of a profile do you want in a player? I want a player that can hold up play, a player that can disrupt the defenders of the opposition, a striker that is good in the air, a striker that won't make it easy for my opponents to bully him in that 18 area whenever we are looking for a goal. And the management will sit down and then, okay, they decide with, okay, let's have option A, option B, and option C. Because we already know good, okay, this is what the coach is actually looking for. We now have a clear picture of a striker that is needed. They go on, they look at Evanga, option 1, Aloy. They go and look on Ulungelo Nguse, option B. And then they go, they look at the striker like, let's say, Uti, Bazoya, which other club in the strikers ngathi Sipalki. Bazoya in a club like Iswelele. They look at Ohizo. And then they sit down. They try to negotiate with 3 clubs. Golden Arrows, Iswelele FC, and the Chippa United. While proposing deals for all these clubs, and they end up not getting one player that or 2 players that they preferred, they end up with 1. The coach will still have to accept because they sat down with him first before they took that decision to sign, because they'll say, okay, you told us, Kuti, this is the kind of a player that you need. And we went there to negotiate, but unfortunately, it didn't materialize. We ended up having this, but he's the same kind of a striker that you mentioned, because the profile you already know. Same when it comes to contract renewals, with contract extensions and players being released. It's all about that. Okay, manje, we're gonna sit down with the coach. Okay, according to these 7 players, which player do you think deserves a contract extension, especially if it happens they get an opportunity to go to a preseason whereby which will do a squad review, and then they will decide okay, this one will go, this one won't go. So it's all about that. Good exit decision evele nje bayithathe noma ungawe kweyiphi team. When it comes to player signings and players being released, everything is up to the management, because they know what's best for the club. Coach Pete or whoever that Kaizer Chiefs can sign to be their head coach, nothing will be 100% on him. He will be given that role ukuthi akwazi ukwenza ama-suggestion, but angeke kube uye ozothenga wonke ama-players, because they avoid things like ukuthi what happens if we sign those players and then after signing those players things don't go as planned. Sibahlabe ngabo 3 years contract extension, or not ama-contract extensions, bashaya ngama-contract wa 3 years, sibahlabe ngama-contract wa 5 years if they are youngsters and they don't perform, which means ukuthi makahamba kwenziwani ngalama players owathengile. Mela hambe now. No, it's not about that, but it's all about a decision before it's being finalized. Kala kuhlalwe phansi, they do ama-reviews, and then after then they come to a final decision. Good, okay, kule 7 le ngahamba 4 kusale 3 according to how the coach reviewed the squad and saw good, okay, they can still help you. It's not about good when you are mahambisa just because we know umthandi. There's Dylan Solomons, Zita Kunika, Bruce Vuma, Gaston Serino, Sibongiseni Mthethwa, Khanyisa Mayo, and Upule Mode. 7 of those players. Obviously, it will be up to the coach that will be appointed as the next head coach of the Kaizer Chiefs. I don't know, Guti, I've explained it in a way that it is understandable, but mwangayizwa kahle usengabuza silichaze ngolimi lakaMageba, because naso lesingisi lesilungu esisikhulumayo asilungisi sometimes. Then let's move to the next topic. I know as a club, whenever a man of the match is given to a Kaizer Chiefs player, we all appreciate that and we see it, okay, Spanish corner. But now people will think as if maybe I'm being negative. I want to divide the club when it comes to handing these men of the matches to players. Don't hear me wrong. Lebohang Maboe is a good player. And for the fact that he sacrificed himself to play a central defensive midfielder role, it simply tells you about the mentality and the quality that he is. Because not every player can do that, but it seems like he is enjoying that role that he plays. But there are two controversial men of the matches that were given to him. Against Durban City, I'd say not Durban City, Oberl College and Imakesi. Imakesi man of the match, I believe it was supposed to be Dylan Solomons. Even though he didn't finish the match, but he had a huge impact on that game. And against the Oberl College, it could have been Ukros. Because at some point, we all watch the games. And we see Uti, he is a live wire in that middle of the park. But umuntu ospanile izolo it was Ukros. He did everything right. He even topped it up with an assist. I don't know, maybe they are pushing him for the World Cup because you know how the media is. How the media personal people are. Because they keep on making it visible. But he is a good player and that would even help because Hugo Broos already made up his mind. He knows who are his preferred choices of players. With CDM, there's Utebogo Mokoena and Ospepe Losito. And Maboe, it will be difficult for him to be given that benefit of the doubt. But now, if you're gonna take awards that should be given to people that were deserving, it also creates okay, no matter how I try, I don't get recognized. And that is not a good thing. But for Maboe, Suge Mapoze, no Grootman, ends in Doya in the middle of the park. But we all, let me not say we all, let me count the ones that agree with me because this is football. We have different sentiments when it comes to such issues because Masbugi Bola, we don't view it Neso Eliwan. Some watch it as fans, some are neutrals. But for the fact that Guti, he is getting the man of the matches, it counts for something, Guti is doing something right. Because other people might also argue Guti, he's like an anchor. The anchor, lene bambi skepe Guti singahambi mabayifake phansi kwamanzi. Awuyiboni ukuthi ikhona, but ikhona. Because a machine, wambona sekajulukile, but most of the time when uzonotisa amanye ama-side, but I still stand my ground. It should have been Bradley Cross. But it's a good thing with the team is starting to get momentum. With they are winning back-to-back games. And before we would complain with after an international break, Kaizer Chiefs doesn't do well. But it seems like they've eliminated that notion. Now they are trying to get points, as many as they can, because it is important to reach their objective. As Ukeza Juna stated, it's either top 2 Makho coaches or nothing. Even Nutuba did confirm top 2, but makwenzekile sesingahlala ku top 3. You'll never know. This is football, but when it comes to reality, I'll keep on saying this. Number 2, it's impossible because Komele Shy Sundowns, Komele Shy Pirates, and win all the remaining games. And kusazokhuphukela, but I'm not saying ukuthi asilahleni ithemba, but I'm eliminating those expectations because at the end of the day they will create a resentment that is not good for people's health. And then let's talk about uThabo Cele. uThabo Cele, hey ziyabuya mana akasasibamba unduna indawo. Since kwahamba uNasreddin Nabi, ngathi uhambe namacox wakhe. Sekare ukuthi umbone egroundini, it's like iphoyisa leChina ekasa angeke ulithole la eSouth Africa. And that thing, it is concerning because he came Sambabaza and you saw all the qualities that he possesses, but now I don't know ukuthi it is true lento bayisho ngokuthi akaboni eye to eye with the co-coaches, but he is getting limited game time. Even though kuthiwa behano injury wabuya, but uyabona ukuthi uMaboe uyenze sure ukuthi that CDM role eyakhe, but he can also play ku number 8 uThabo Cele. but ku-8 now kudlaliswa uNgcobo, kudlaliswa uNdlovu. So you see there's a stiff competition, of which it is something that we like. Let the players compete, let them fight for positions, but it is starting to be concerning indaba yakhe ukuthi kanjani, because the disadvantage of having many players is that one, which you can pick and choose who you want. It's all about the preparations and the readiness and how you want to set up, and you look at the qualities that the player possesses. When Ngcobo plays for Kaizer Chiefs, the club plays with that number 8 role, because it's always progressive passes and there's fluidity when Kaizer Chiefs play. Hayi lena ifuna ukuthi ifakelwe ibuku, but it's a topic for another day mase silazi kahle iqiniso. But okwamanje let's focus on the positives, which is 3 games, 3 points. We are sitting on position 3 on the log. We played around 3 o'clock. We got 3 yellow cards. Yabona nje ukuthi sihamba ngabo 3. We scored 3 goals. So bonana kwi video elandelayo.